Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is Wednesday, December 17th. I had a decent day trading today on stream. Took two trades, took one loser, which did end up going for TP1. I was trying to target a little bit higher. Um, kind of cut my stop loss a little bit tight, but at the same time, in the end, saved me a little bit of capital. And then ended up taking a really nice setup on the ES for, I want to say, about I don't know, it was about 6 or 7 points there on the ES, which was a fantastic trade to get me back into the green here today. And recorded that trade. Obviously, took it live on stream with all my with all the members on there, and it was a nice trade. It was a really nice trade. I think I explained it really well in the video that's going to be coming up here shortly. And if you haven't, I highly suggest you join the streams every morning. So we're there at the market open. Tomorrow I got an early start. It's gonna be 7:30 a.m. So about an hour before the market opens. Go till about 9:30, and then every other day I'm here pretty much about half an hour before the market opens. And the it's been a little funny trading. Trading's been a little bit difficult. Obviously, I've been stating it a few times that that last week in November up until probably till FOMC, we were in a pretty tight range. And as a volume-based trader, it becomes a little bit difficult when you're in such a tight range. But FOMC kind of shook that up, and we've had some pretty decent volatility. And then we had obviously the contract rollover this week, beginning of this week, and there's a little bit of a difference there because you've got pretty much two pieces of volume now that you're working on. You're working on the December contract, which is pretty much 90 days worth of volume, and then you've got the March contract. So I've actually been now working with two volume profiles on my chart. That I've got a composite volume profile that shows the daily, which helps me interpret the March contract a little clearer, and then I keep the 45 and the 90-day composite volume profile on the right hand side of my chart, which gives me a better hybrid mix of both contracts, with obviously 90% of the December contract in my bigger time frame volume composite. And it's been helping. I've been noticing that a lot more of my setups are respecting those unbalanced areas of volume, and that's exactly what I wanted to see. So I've kind of used the last couple of days, not so much for trades, but just to kind of observe if price action is doing what I see in the market every single day. And I'm seeing that building up every single day, which is very positive, and was able to capitalize on a few decent trades there. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope to see you guys on the stream. Take care. So just so I can show you guys, this is level 2 now. So our entry, I was looking at the 63s right here. The 6860s, which is my TP1. No, there's no secret into why TP1 is at 6860. A lot of unbalanced volume there, so they're going to want to target that on the way back down. We have a small level of defense at the 6865s, but really what I would be looking for is a confirmation footprint between the 62 and 63 number, which puts me right in this ballpark right here, 62, 63. So I'll put this line right here just so we understand. That is, if I get a footprint candle in between here, that would be a good entry for me. All right, so I'm gonna have to adjust this just a little bit. let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get a decent dump. Go. Go. Okay, I like you there. I like you there. Go. 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 Ah. We had it. We had it. All right, let's see if we can maybe get just a little bit more there. I don't want to get too greedy. That's my line right there. Ah, dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. I think I could have got a little bit more greedy on that one. I think I could have targeted the 68.49s, which is pretty much what I was hoping for. So played out pretty much how I thought. Obviously, this area here to here, I said if I get any footprint confirmation in this area between these two entries, which is about a point away from each other, and you guys saw the footprint confirmation was over 100 and something positive to the negative. So